Well, look at this. It's down in the driveway, folks. Christina's new toy. 1962 Chevy C10 stepside, 6-cylinder. Look at this, folks. Got a fancy new pickup truck. Oh, I'm sorry, wrong truck. Look at this, folks. Got a fancy new pickup truck. Same year as me. A lot better shape. She's a driver. See, I missed a few spots when I waxed it today. Overall, it's in pretty good shape. Paint needs a little help here and there. So, Christina.
So, Douglas.
Are you ready to try this truck out?
I'm ready.
Remember, there's no power steering. You're not going to like that tiny wheel.
Okay.
You got to put the clutch in and should be able to start it right up.
Clutch and brake, right?
Yep. Now, normally, you should have to give it the gas. Oh, don't let it roll. But it's already been started.
Is that the clutch I was just taking my foot off of?
You just took your foot off the brake. You don't know the brake from the clutch? That could be a problem.
That's the brake right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you got to put it first.
How do you do that?
Towards you and down. And then you got to start easing off that clutch. Don't let it roll back. Go to the right. Good job. What do you think of that steering? 3 men and a boy.
Yeah.
Okay, and then it's that. Yeah, there you go. Turn to the right up here. You can probably do it in second.
Wait, where's my direction? Is this my direction?
Yeah.
Here?
It's a little different, isn't it?
It is.
Okay, shut your directional off. Stay straight. Did that car pull up behind you?
No.
How's it going?
Good.
Third's just straight down.
Which way I want to do third?
Right? Anytime, get a little speed up. That was a little bit early.
Okay.
It should be alright. It's geared really low. How do you like driving it?
Good.
It's not a modern day car, is it?
Yeah, no, it's just to get used to it.
Yeah. It should get quieter when the rockers are adjusted. It's got a freshly rebuilt 235 straight six in it. And it's geared really low. You're always wanting to shift again.
That's it.
That's it. That's all she's got. That's it right there. Imagine that. Probably a top speed of about 55 miles an hour. You're doing good. Huh?
There is a car behind out in the store.
Now, if you ever have to start it cold, what's this guy doing? It's flying. You have to pull out the choke and you gotta pump the hell out of the gas. It's not fuel injected, it's carburetor. Is that your vent window making all that noise?
I think so. Kind of whistling.
Yeah, there you go. All right. So you did really good.
Thank you.
Your first lesson. I knew you would. Ride that clutch, as my mother used to tell you.
She did. That's exactly what she said.
Yeah. You got a downshift? There you go. You just dumped the clutch that time. You still gotta let the clutch out a little bit easier than that.
It's hard because my knee's hitting it. It's not very comfortable.
What are we gonna do about
I
that?
don't know.
Get a shorter legged woman? Don't forget about third this time.
No, but I feel like
No, you're ready. Go for it. Let the clutch out. There you go. The Amish guy's got it down. That's the guy that sells me the metal roof things. He seemed to know whose truck it was. Might have seen it out in the dooryard. You gotta let the clutch out for that to do any good.
yeah, but I want to slow down because you say it has to be slow.
If you get it to go in the second, you're all set.
If it goes in a second, then you're good. Back at
Yeah.
like
No, you're going slow enough.
so if it goes into that gear, we're good.
I'll be channeling the chicken spirit for my happy wanderers. Happy wanderers. Thanks for coming to Dollywood. Y'all good. Bye, honey.
Bye-bye.
Bye.